In the wet process of cement manufacturing, raw material is heated to about A 650 900 C, B 900 1300 C, C 1300 1450 C, D 900 1050 C. The correct answer is 1300 1450 C. The slurry with the desired lime content passes into the A. clinker, B. rotary kiln, C. slurry tank, D. cement silo. The correct answer is rotary kiln. What is wet process? A. grinding and mixing of the raw materials in their dry state, B. grinding and mixing of the raw materials in their medium state, C. grinding and mixing of the raw materials in their wet state, D. grinding and mixing of the raw materials in their overheated state. The correct answer is grinding and mixing of the raw materials in their wet state. In the wet process, the kiln is A. horizontal, B. vertical, C. slightly inclined with vertical, D. slightly inclined with horizontal. The correct answer is slightly inclined with vertical. When chalk is used, A. it is finely broken up and dispersed in water in a wash mill, B. it has to be blasted then crushed, usually in two progressively smaller crushers, C. it is sieved and fed into a rotating dish called a granulator, D. the raw materials are crushed and fed into a grinding mill where they are dried and reduced into fine powder. The correct answer is it is finely broken up and dispersed in water in a wash mill. The slurry in its movement down the kiln encounters a progressively higher temperature. At first the water is driven off and is liberated. A. CO2, B. CO2, C. gypsum, D. CaO. The correct answer is CO2. Among the below statement, which one is correct for wet process? A. The amount of heat required is high, so the required fuel amount is high. B. The amount of heat required is lesser, so the required fuel amount is less. C. The amount of heat required is high, so the required fuel amount is less. D. The amount of heat required is less, so the required fuel amount is high. The correct answer is the amount of heat required is high, so the required fuel amount is high. Size of the kiln needed to manufacture the cement is bigger for wet process. A. true, B. false, C. D. The correct answer is true. The machinery and equipments do not need much maintenance. A. true, B. false, C. D. The correct answer is true.